Located in Cancun, 200 meters from Mujeres Beach, Garza Blanca Cancun all-inclusive features accommodations with a restaurant, free private parking, an outdoor swimming pool and a bar. Featuring a garden. The 5-star hotel has air-conditioned rooms with free Wi-Fi, each with a private bathroom. The accommodations provides a 24-hour front desk, room service and currency exchange for guests. At the hotel, the rooms come with a desk and a flat-screen TV. Guests at Garza Blanca Cancun all-inclusive can enjoy an American breakfast. The accommodations offers 5-star accommodations with a hot tub and terrace. Cancun bus station is 5 miles from Garza Blanca Cancun all-inclusive, while Cancun Government Palace is 5 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Cancun International, 14 miles from the hotel, and the property offers a paid airport shuttle service. Don't forget to like the video, and subscribe to the channel.